In our last video, you saw me replacing the splitter brackets on the S2000, and the reason for that was because at the track, we had an incident where the brackets actually bent just from sheer downforce. I didn't go off the track, I didn't hit any curbing. It actually just bent because of how much aero the car has in the front end. I thought it'd be best if we could prevent this from happening again. And one of the ways that we can solve this is simply by having something as simple as a front air dam. Our front bumper and the splitter has a little bit of a gap between the two, which when driving under really fast speeds, air kind of rushes right through between, and eventually after long-term use, it kind of allows that gap to kind of get bigger and bigger and bigger, depending on how your splitter is angled. I thought it was very neutral, but I guess over time it just got worse. And at NJMP, it just ended up breaking and failing, so I had to run the rest of the track day without a splitter. So what can we do to really fix it? They make this thing called a front air dam. It's a little piece of plastic that you kind of put between the splitter and the front lip, and it allows air to kind of get blocked off and goes over instead of through. If you remember in the last video, Jordan also had an issue where his front splitter brackets bent, and same exact issue. Air was just going through the bumper, not up and over. So with the addition of an air dam, it kind of really solves that problem. I don't want to just put a plastic piece in front of the bumper and then call it a day, because it doesn't really flow nicely with the bumper and make it adhere to the natural curves of the bumper. So we'll try our best to make that happen. But you know, without me rambling on too much, let's get working on that. I just want to say a huge thank you to Jordan for scooping this up for me. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. I was actually gonna buy a OEM rear bumper used somewhere, but this popped up over from a guy in Connecticut who is conveniently going to New York City. And I asked Jordan, hey man, this guy's gonna be here at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Can you please pick it up for me, because I can't go. Got this for like 70 bucks, already pre-cut. And it looks pretty good just from the get-go. Now we're just gonna get it mocked up and everything before we send it out to paint. We got Jordan back in the house. Say hi, welcome.
Hey, what's up? I'm done hating. New year, new me.
Nah, he's lying, bro, he's lying.
Would you pick a S2 or NSX?
S2 all the way.
Yeah, same.
No
it's
bullshit.
Cool though, but I think I will still pick a S2.
Yeah, like I drove our friend Wes's NSX.
Yeah.
I had it for a couple of days, and what threw me off was the long gear ratios.
Yo.
Second gear hits like 100, 105. It's second gear.
That's fucking nuts.
Yeah.
Like it's cool, but I don't know if I want an Odyssey engine in my shit.
It's cool though.
It's cool though. I think it's a great innovation. We're going band for band with Belagon. Yeah, we were taking over, yo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Belagons, we coming for you, yo.
You and your boyfriend.
Yeah. Belagons and Yester sauce.
Okay. The one thing that I'm so envious about with your car is with your half cup bumper, you could see the whole suspension, which I think is so gangster.
Sick, right?
Like the Owens, bro.
I'm gonna get me some gold spray paint.
Yeah.
That looks like
Do your D2 coilovers. I think the one thing that you recommended me to do was to
what was it?
Plasti dip this whole undercoating. Put it all around.
It's more of a permanent solution.
Yeah. Yep.
The plastic dip, it's perfect. When you see my car from the back, like you don't see it looks like just a dark hole of nothingness.
Yeah.
Obviously, other than the component. But
Yeah. I love that. So at some point, we're gonna spray this all with Plasti Dip, make it like a satin black so it's not reflective. But yeah, because right now this is gonna stick out like a sore thumb. And I'm not the type of guy who wants to cut it off. I want to keep it in case I put my OEM bumper back on. So yeah.
Also, like what makes mine different, the AP1 brackets, they're
lower, right?
They're like this thin.
Oh really?
Yeah, like they didn't care much back then. Then yours came out, they made this fucking like a brace, bro. And it sticks out, so.
Yeah.
And don't cut. Yo, do you know what I don't get to? When people cut the tub.
Yeah, I like the tub,
I need
man.
my space.
I mean, there's so little space in here.
Yeah.
But I guess those guys are really like full race car.
Like full race cars.
We're not there yet.
Yeah, we're
not there. 2026.
Yeah, 27. 27, yeah.
27.
27. Fucking tough, bro. Yeah.
Oh, this looks crazy.
Yeah? Nah. It reminds me of my bumper. Oh. Oh. Damn. Oh.
Oh, dude.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Nah, that looks nuts,
No.
bro. Okay. Oh. Thank you for being part of the team, Jordan and John. We appreciate everything you do. So that's just a little note from them. Let me cut that. Oh, is there something in the back? Thanks for being so fucking fast. I ain't have to say that. Air was cool. Come here, listen, y'all. Alright. Air going here. Right here, right? Okay, air goes here. Cool. But air also goes here. Air has nowhere to go. You see that? It gets squished in there. So it's like a V shape. But it's not like a V mount like you know, the radiator.
Yeah.
This ain't no radiator, so that's bad. V mount radiator, good. This is bad. So what this is gonna do, you don't have to worry about this if you're going to Wet Fest. You absolutely do not have to worry about this at all. No, you'll be alright. You guys keeping up, right? Air. Now with this, air has nowhere to go, but you know, like clean air.
Mm-hmm.
Clean air equals downforce. Downforce, grip. Grip, faster. Get it? Okay, cool. And then I usually put like a bead of silicone here too.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really like
really tight
on it. But man, this, I'm not gonna lie, this is like
a good height, right?
this is pretty fucking perfect.
Yeah, man.
You know how I gatekeep a lot of things? This is your chance to pick my brain. This is your chance. So lock in, like subscribe to the channel. So this is how it goes, right? A little bit of play here. So you have to butt it as much as you can. Heat gun, so you can get it flat, right? We don't have it right now, but right, heat gun, boom. Then you have to trace as tight as possible on the outside. Go all the way around and then take it off, take the bumper off, and then all that's left to do is screw it with you know, the markings that you made. And then after that's said and done, we mount everything back together, and then now we have to go from the inside. So because if we show them this like gap right here, like yeah, you see that. Personally, I think it's cool, but John's not fucking with it. So we have to go from the inside now and then put a marker and then line wherever he would want to cut it, and then same procedure, take it out and then trim. And what I would do, actually, I would probably trim it a little more than the line so we could put a rubber gasket on it, so the vibrations won't damage your paint, bro. Yeah. I'm cooking, yo. I'm cooking. So we're getting ready to install the air dam. Mans don't even have hardware.
Oh, I completely forgot about that.
Fuck, bro.
I got something somewhere.
Nah.
I just got
scrambling.
I'm scrambling for real.
Damn, nothing but hopes and dreams in there.
No, they're definitely somewhere.
As easy as that, guys.
Good thing it's just plastic, so.
I'll close it. Oh, that's actually hot. God damn. This is almost the final product. We're just gonna let the material loosen up, get used to its like new home kind of thing.
Right.
Because we ripped it out of the box and got straight to it, so
Right.
it still has that muscle memory of like the coils. But
Don't mind the background. It's currently a huge mess because we are setting up for our pop-up that's coming up very soon. If you don't know, Vivek and I are partners in our new company. We have a business called Motorsport Brews, and we have a mobile coffee cart. So if you want coffee at your event, please feel free to hit us up. We're located in New Jersey.
Motorsport Brews this bitch.
We have so much things to go through, and it's in a couple of days. We have cups, we have our cart that we just did. Recently stained it. Got a few more finishing touches before the event, but overall, everything is a mess. Finally, you're using the mat. Man with the worst knees ever, bro.
I couldn't do it.
Is it pulling out?
Yeah, I think it's straighter than before. And now I can kind of start heating this area up and bending it.
Guys, this is the finished product.
Yeah, I'll stop.
Let me know what you think.
I think we gotta heat it up. What I'm gonna do is heat it up here, and I'm gonna mold it to your lip. I don't see any other ways, because you can't keep taking it off, and it has to be like perfectly molded to your lip because of the shape.
Alright.
You could have done this from the get-go.
Should have got this from the beginning, yeah. But it's gonna actually get a little tighter too, because this is not even bolted in to the splitter yet.
Exactly. Once it's bolted in, you can move it a little. I mean,
Just a little more flexibility.
yeah, but it's still nice.
Way better than before, yeah.
Like, we're talking about some ghetto shit. We're gonna put like 3M here. That was your idea.
No,
I
that
told
was
you-
your idea.
I told you not to do that.
What are you
I
talking
clearly. This dude was talking about.
You're talking about Velcro,
this
first
dude.
of all.
What? Well, on a car.
You!
I use that on like wires for like IT work. You were talking about putting VHB behind this, and I was like, dude, how you gonna like take it off
Do
on
not
track?
make me show them your Accord from
My
5 years
Accord?
ago. I will show them. Bro, this dude had an Accord that had washers for spacers. How ridiculous is that?
Washer sport. Those weren't.
You gotta show everybody your one piece, bro.
Bruh.
Hold it up like a like a fish, bro.
I want this.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well guys, drove the car. Middle of winter, salt on the roads. Does that mean the car's totaled? I'm super happy with how the air dam and the rear bumper looks on the car. It looks so much more aggressive, and I'm hoping that's a lot more functional next time around we go to the track. So hopefully we can see some differences between this and our previous setup. I really want to try and prolong the life of the splitter brackets to make sure that I get the most use of it. And I'm hoping that I'm able to catch up with all the other guys with their cars, because that wing's really bringing down a lot of drag on the vehicle, and hopefully the bumper shows a little less resistance when driving through the main straight. But only time will tell. Got a couple more months to our first track day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to support the channel, check out our website. We have a bunch of merch available for sale. So yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video.